Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BigCommerce for Ecommerce Cloud Management. Quick tutorial step. Begin by navigating to the BigCommerce website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a sign-up form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password to protect your account. Enter your store name in the appropriate field. Provide your first and last name in the respective fields. Select your country from the drop-down menu. After filling out all required fields, click on the Create Your Store button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the BigCommerce platform. Here, you may be prompted to complete additional information about your business. Fill out the necessary fields to complete your profile setup. Once you have completed your profile, choose a plan that suits your business needs. Proceed to enter your billing information if required. Review all the information you have provided before clicking on the final Submit button. After submission, you will gain access to your BigCommerce dashboard. Take a moment to explore the features available in your new BigCommerce account. You're now ready to start setting up your online store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.